on, guys? Today I'm going to be installing a carbon fiber hood. You can see it like back there. I'm going to try to do this by myself, but if I can't do it by myself, my siblings are coming home like 30 minutes. So if I need them to hold it, it looks fairly easy. Just a few bolts here and there I got to undo. I ordered this like 3 weeks ago. It just got here about 10 minutes ago. I had to fill out a bunch of special order forms because it was out of stock and stuff. But yeah, we're just going to go ahead and get started on the installation. Right, by the looks of it, I need to do bolt here, unscrew it. Like there's like 3 screws there, bolt here. Just some clips that I know I can just take out really easy. And then 2 more bolts right there. I think the only hard part I would have about this is like holding it in place. I think what I might do is screw the top screw right there, the top bolt right there. I'll screw that in, move over to this side, screw the top one in, like line it up, and then work my way to the bottom of it, and then put everything back where it should be. I'm gonna put a before clip of the car, and then obviously an after clip of the hood. Alright, I don't need to undo that little black panel thing right there because the new one has the hood scoop on it, and it's going to be kind of pointless to throw that back on there. So yeah, I don't have to do one of those. All I gotta do is just undo those bolts there. I should be able to take it off. So I was using this thing, like it's a 12. Yeah, it's a 12. And the part that holds this on, it bent and it snapped off. Somewhere in the engine bay, I don't know where it's at. I don't think it fell through. There's the OEM hood. Here's the carbon fiber hood. I'm gonna have to flip it over and undo the wooden blocks that are under it. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. Alright, so the fitment is almost perfect. This little gap right here, it's like a millimeter larger than the gap over here. I'll have to fix that later, just tighten that side up more than that side, and that should close down. So yeah, I think the next thing I'm gonna do is coilovers, a turbo kit, maybe a new front bumper. I'm not a fan of this little mustache thing that's right there, so I may change that. I don't know, maybe a turbo. I might engine swap it. I don't know. We'll see. It's just gonna be faster. It's too slow the way it is. Alright, but yeah, that's all for this video. I hope I didn't bore you to death with this. I think the next thing I'm gonna upload is some like video game stuff because I haven't done that in a while. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, and I will see you in the next video.
Smoke weed every day.